Okay, again, now in this opportunity we are going to work with the DYE SAF. This is the sublimation process to set up our designs on the Macs. This is a project of 12 Macs, 12 Macs with a different stage of the life of Jesus. So what we need definitely is the Mac, could be a ceramic Mac. And the design we are going to work, the artwork is going to be done in Photoshop. The dimensions of our canvas is going to be 21 times 8 centimeters. It is going to configure, this is the color, red, green, what is RGB, made a mistake, like this, blue, and 300 pixels per inch. And then we are going to use a wrap around Mac mockup to showcase the artwork, like this. Now this is the first station, the bird, and the second station is about the wise man following the star. Now we are going to work with the third station, which is related when Jesus is teaching at the temple. So let's start. So here in the Photoshop, first we need to open our figure. We are going to create, we are going to first we are going to create our, and as we said is 22 centimeters. First let's do it centimeters. The height is 8 centimeters. This is going to be 3 because it has to be high resolution, 300 dots per inch. It's going to be red, green, blue, and it is going to be called the step number 3 or stage number 3. Perfect. Okay, so it is set up our canvas. Now what we are going to do in our canvas, transparency, and now we are going to go to open our design, that is going to be this, the step number 3. Okay, this is a new one. What we are going to do, I'm gonna convert this as a simple or unlock. Can you see? I double click on it, and then I switch it, I name as layer 0. So now it is unlocked and I can work with that. Next, I'm gonna work with this tool, this, to select. This is the again, I'm gonna get close. You can see herramienta de selección rápida in Spanish, or quick selection tool. And then getting close to that, maybe I can increase the size of this. We can get, and we can, here at the top part, we are going to choose the fast selection, and we can paint as it was, only drag the fast, only drag, and the head here, the shoulder, what else, the head of this man. Here we can reduce this. Just that's all. I think so that would be enough. Perfect. So we can work with that somehow. Yeah, we can work with that. And also here we are going to add the arm of this man. Oops, no. Let's get it off of this. Just and the nose of Virgin Mary. Just perfect. Now, after that selection here at the bottom, of the button here, we can see this rectangle with a circle inside. We are going to add una máscara, a layer mask. Click on it, and now you can see that we get it off of the background. Perfect. Now the next step is that we are gonna click in the design, and no, now we are going to click on this small thumbnail of the layer mask, and we are going to apply this layer mask, and you can see now it is only one. The next step is that we are going to select this tool. Okay, we are choosing this tool which is called herramienta mover, move tool. To select Alt, Control C, Control plus C, go to your design and Control V. Oops, excuse me, go back, choose that, and again. Something's happening. A ver, let's check. Step, RGB, ya, selección all. Now we are going to go to our design. Okay. I choose selección here at the top, choose selection and select all. And then you can go to your design, to your canvas, and Control B. Press Control B to Control C, Control V, Control plus C, Control V. And now we can adjust the design here. Oh, also to see, I think so. See, it is fine. Yeah, perfect. We can work with our design here. For example, could be this design here, and we can duplicate this, aplicar, perfect. And now here on the panel, layer panel, we are going to double this. It is going to be called copia. Okay, and now we are going to move this picture, shift, and let's move it. Oh, ahí está. Let's move it. I recommend you to use the keys of your keyboard. And perfect. Now we are going to add some text. It is going to be teaching in the temple. We can write down, no? Like teaching in the temple, in the temple, or teaching in the temple, see, in the temple. Yeah, perfect. And then we can choose this tool to move. Fast. And the next step is going to be Control C. We are going to copy this, duplicate. Let's double this layer of the leather, and we are going to move. So it is going to fall in the same at the same height. Reason why I'm doing this. But now it is going to be in Spanish. So click on it, click on this tool text, click on it, then go into, and you can change. Okay, get it off of all of that, and it's going to be enseñando in Spanish. Enseñando, enseñando en el templo. Enseñando en el templo. Perfect. And that's all. Now, the next we are going to select, oh, sorry, Control Z. We are going to select with Shift, press Shift and select all the layers. Done, done. Perfect. And now we are going to, yeah, we can go here, Edition, Edition, Transform, and we can flip the image that is for printing, okay, and we can save it. But now we are going to go to Transform, flip it again, and before doing that, we are going to copy this into our design. Choose this tool, which is called Herramienta de Marco Rectangular, and okay, now you can press Ctrl Shift, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift C to copy all of them. And then we are gonna go here. We are going to open our Mac, which is called here. And here on our Mac, we are going to add this new design. And we are going to, oh, this, oops, made a mistake. No, we have to get into the design. Here in the design of the Mac, you can see this small small icon. This is a miniature. Double click on it and get into the design. So in this space we are going to stick the design as a new layer, and we are going to get it off of this one, and here we are, a new layer. When we Ctrl V, press Ctrl plus V, and we have added a new layer that now is called capa number 2, and turn off the other layers. Now we are going to stretch this design. Okay, Shift could be to maintain. And after that, we can also go here to transform, and you can choose the formation to create this, the sensation of this, that it's no, to carve or to wrap this image in the Mac, like this. Perfect. Like this, perfect, it's well done. And then we are going to accept the design, and then go to the file and choose save. Now it's totally saved, and now we can go to our Mac, and you can see that the Mac has changed. Now it's finished, and then we can save it as our next Mac. Let's choose, for example, this, or PNG, or JPEG, and here we are, our next design. It's going to be a Steak Mac number 3. Dun, dun, and save it. Perfect. Perfectly done. And now we can go to check our design. It is number 3, and let's check. Oops, no, this is no. This is the design. And perfect. This is our final result. Okay, thanks.